Oh my God, everyone sit down. There's plenty of seats. Come.
It doesn't take that long, but come sit down. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. I'm Tori Rudolph, Head of Strategic Partnerships at FinTech Australia.
And I'm Brandon Saputra, the Community and International Programs Lead at FinTech Australia.
Thank you so much for sticking around to join us at our last session of Intersekt 2025.
As an absolute highlight from last year, we have brought back FinTech 50, a pitch extravaganza, sponsored by Change Financial. For those who weren't here last year, this is how the session is going to run.
We are going to hear 50 pitches in less than an hour. Each pitch will have 30 seconds and one slide. For a bit of drama, as Simon demoed, we have the countdown on the side screens. These 50 pitches won't just be pitching for investment, they'll be pitching for partners, customers, service providers, talent, and anything in between. So please be sure to keep your eyes and ears out because you never know what could come from this.
We're going to ask the audience to have their phones at the ready. We've encouraged all pitches to include some contact information. So if you like what you see, make sure you snap a pic. When the timer reaches 0, our lovely accountant and hired muscle, Carlos Antoni, will gently escort the speaker off the stage. Yes, accountants are scary. Stand up, stand up. The 30 seconds will be very strict as there are closing drinks waiting for us outside.
So we're going to end Intersekt 2025 on a high, so please be sure to give every single pitch a huge round of applause, and we'll see you at closing drinks and Intersekt next year. With that, we'll introduce our first pitch, David McAleese, Vice President of Business Development at Change. As our amazing sponsor for this session, Change will actually have 3 minutes for their pitch, but straight after that, the 30 seconds begins. Sponsor next year if you'd like 3 minutes before the main stage. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, and good afternoon, and welcome to the Intersekt Fast 50 pitch session. And I do get more than 30 seconds, which is awesome. My name is David McAleese. I look after business development for Change Financial in Australia and New Zealand. What do we do? Well, Change Financial is very proud to be sponsoring this pitch session today, and we can't wait to hear the pitches and showcases from these fantastic fintechs highlighting the game-changing solutions. Intersekt is about more than just fintech. It's about building the connections that make innovation possible. Bringing together founders, investors, regulators and partners is what gives our ecosystem strength. The Fast 50 celebrates these companies shaping the future of financial services. These businesses are building smarter payment systems, creating better products for us all, and reimagining how money moves. At Change Financial, we know this journey well. We deliver global payment and card issuing solutions, including Vertexon, our modern digital issuing and payments platform, which gives our clients flexible options from managing a full card program to bin sponsorship or providing card processing services. We offer physical, digital and virtual cards to meet the requirements of any card program or fintech. Change also provides Payim, our powerful payment testing, simulation and certification tool. Payim is used to test and certify payment systems quickly and reliably. We provide card issuing services and card testing solutions in over 40 countries and have over 50 million cards issued through our Vertexon platform. We have offices in Brisbane, here in Melbourne, and also Auckland. Importantly, Change is a principal issuer for MasterCard in Australia and New Zealand. We deliver prepaid debit and credit card programs across this region. This means we help fintechs and organisations launch, manage and scale their payment solutions faster and more efficiently. Change has also partnered with MasterCard and FinTech Actuator, Tim's here today, to help fintechs validate and test their ideas on a small scale without the cost and complexity of launching a full-scale card program. That's why we're proud to support today's session, because innovation doesn't happen in isolation. It's the founders, teams and partners in this room who are pushing boundaries and driving FinTech forward. Now, we all know this startup journey is not an easy one, and I've heard lots of speakers talk about that. It takes vision, grit and plenty of resilience. Every FinTech you'll hear from today has faced challenges, setbacks and breakthroughs, but they've kept pushing forward. Today, they'll share just a snapshot. It's only 30 seconds of what they're building, why it matters and where they're going. It's not easy to relate a company story into half a minute, but that's part of the magic today. You'll get a taste of the energy, ambition and creativity that's redefining FinTech here in Australia. And as you listen, I encourage you all to hear not just the products and the business models, but also the people behind them, their passion, their vision and their drive to make financial services better for everyone. On behalf of Change Financial, I'd like to thank FinTech Australia and the Intersekt team for creating this platform. Events like this just don't highlight great companies, they strengthen the ecosystem we all belong to and remind us of the incredible talent building the future of FinTech. Please reach out to myself or any of the Change team you see here today to find out more about our company and our card issuing and payments testing tool, or about the FinTech Actuator program. So thanks for being here, and without further ado, let's kick things off with a lot of energy and passion and be inspired about the game-changing solutions and ideas being pitched in the next hour or so. Thanks very much, and let's get going.
Good afternoon, Richard Douglas, COO at Swyftx, Australia's leading digital asset broker. With over 500,000 Australians losing more than $2 billion to scams in 2024, this is an urgent issue that requires attention. Swyftx has developed world-first anti-scam training, which demonstrates graduates who complete this course are 62% less likely to be scammed. As an exclusive offer to Intersekt attendees, scan the QR code behind me, sign up to Swyftx, and we will reward you $20 in Bitcoin to complete this course. Thank you.
How bloody great is the Australian dream? My dad immigrated with $1,500 to start a better life. But banks didn't have the risk strategies to see him for what he was, a safe customer, and it cost him 17 months before he could send money back to his family. I'm Will from CompliAdvantage. Our data and software helps fintechs distinguish the good customers from the bad, so you can welcome more customers who deserve a chance. Speak to us to be faster, fairer, more inclusive.
Good afternoon. I'm Nathan Hopkins, the Chief Revenue Officer at the Escrow Company. We do a service called Software Escrow, which helps to mitigate operational risk and challenges around risk when adopting third-party technology. So we're usually holding things like source code in trust between a client and a software vendor, as I mentioned, to help around risk. So yeah, if you're a vendor and you get asked around due diligence, come and have a chat. Or if you're a bank looking to reduce risk with your vendors, again, we can really add some value. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.
Hello everyone. Ring is a battery-free, stylish, smart ring that can make payments in Australia. So just make a fist like this, bump your fist at any payment terminal in Australia to make the payments. It's not just stylish, but also users can make money and through integrated cashback, loyalty rewards, and micro-investment platform connected. So this is the future of payments and personal finance in Australia. We have secured our partnerships and looking for pre-seed funding in order to execute our launch in a few months. Thank you.
Hello everyone, James O'Reilly is my name. Buddy Advisory is my business. We support startups and scale-ups with services in recruiting and HR operations. Why am I qualified to help you? I supported Xero grow from around 400 to around 4,000 people over a period of 8.5 years and learned a lot along the way. Thank you so much.
Kia ora everyone, I'm Andrew Dentis. I'm a FinTech lawyer in Auckland and the co-chair of FinTech NZ, which means if you are looking at the New Zealand market, you need to speak to me using those details. Lots of reasons to look at New Zealand at the moment: new CDR legislation, new FinTech sandbox, focus on banking competition. So please get in touch and let's bring the Anzac spirit to FinTech. Thank you.
We often think of real-time payments as purely online, fast, instant, a magic of a click. But we know life doesn't just happen behind the screen. Imagine this: you're grabbing a pie at the footy or jumping the queue at a JB Hi-Fi store. That's where we step in. Whether you're in front of the counter or lounging behind your couch, Azupay unlocks real-time payments securely with a fingerprint. Yes, it's quick, but effortless is better. Be safe as you pay.
Hi, I'm Nick. I'm one of the co-founders here at Persona. Compliance officers are juggling too many AML tools. It's slow, costly, and risky. Persona fixes this by bringing everything into one platform, from policy to customer due diligence and reporting, your single source of truth for AML. We're looking to connect with AML-regulated businesses that are ready to simplify compliance and scale fast. Snap a photo of this slide or join me for a drink afterwards. Thank you.
There's a multi-million-dollar blind spot inside every university: student clubs. Unions are drowning in 100,000 receipts a year. It's inefficient and it's an open door for fraud. These clubs are run by passionate students, not finance professionals. We are Communities.one, and we eliminate that blind spot. Our platform gives unions total, real-time control and stops fraud before it happens. Solving this problem creates a $370,000 ARR opportunity per campus. Scan the code now if you want in. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Malali from Paymentology, the global leader in payment processing and card management. We help companies launch payment programs in more than 50 countries. We are headquartered in the UK, but with strong local teams in Asia Pacific. Whether you're a neobank, launching payments for the first time, or a fintech in hypergrowth mode, or a bank taking up to becoming a cloud-native infrastructure, let's talk and make it happen. Scan the QR and talk to you soon. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Blair Lucas. I'm Group Commercial Director for Aclim. We are a corporate services and market entry advisory service provider based across 18 markets in Asia. If you're looking for any of the services here behind me to expand into this dynamic market that is APAC, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. We'd love to help you on your journey. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Winnie, Regional FinTech Director at Austrade, bridging the best of Aussie FinTech to Singapore and Southeast Asia. We are inviting Australian FinTech and tech companies to join Team Australia Delegation at the Singapore FinTech Festival this November, in partnership with Investment New South Wales, Global Victoria, and FinTech Australia. This is your chance to be at Asia's largest FinTech event, get warm introductions, and know the right people and right pathways to succeed in Asia. Scan the QR code, take a photo of it, and have a drink with us later. Thank you.
In Australia, not owning a home is the #1 driver of generational wealth inequality. Demand-side solutions are important, but the reality is we need over 1 million more homes in this country. Hi, I'm Michael, founder of LegUp, and we have developed IP that means banks can lower their cost of capital by up to 3 times when lending against prefab construction. It's a major win for the industry and ultimately Australians looking to get onto the housing ladder. So if your lender interested to support more prefab, would love to chat. Together we can give Australians a leg up.
Hello Intersekt, I'm Swami from MyGigsters. We offer embedded financial services to gig platforms and digital marketplaces. We are growing at 20% month-on-month users, and about to hit 1.2 million users in 6 months across 5 geographies. Our unique algorithm allows us to invoice factor with 0 loss rates. This product is what happens when high returns and low risk swipe right. We're raising $1 million in debt, and we're looking for InsurTech and reward platform partners to enhance our embedded offerings. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm David from Cogsflow. We are embedded finance for B2B commerce, and we help e-commerce businesses fill their warehouses. It's been a big year. We grew GMV 6x. We deployed tech and got out of Google Sheets more. And for the year coming, we're excited about raising a debt warehouse 10x where we are right now and putting AI into our credit decisioning. So please come to help us with this. See ya.
Hello everyone, Bruce Itola is my name, and I'm the founder and creator of 365 Collect. 365 Collect is a cloud-based solution that simplifies, automates, and streamlines your arrears and collections processes. I think we're probably one of the few organizations here who are happy to see numbers go down after our solution is deployed. So if any of this resonates with you, please come have a chat with either myself, the leadership team here, or scan that QR code. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm CEO and founder of EnergyFlex. We've made the first CDR-enabled energy insights platform to help you save $1,000 or 2 tonnes of CO2 at your home. But for business owners, it's all about helping your customers, empower your customers and incentivise your customers and members to save money and to help them with their ESG reporting requirements. Basically, we set you up with a credit rating, an energy credit rating in reality, but the reality is download our app, it's free. Let's get empowered. Let's get in the renewables transition. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Adam from Symons, CCO there. Another Kiwi FinTech. We're pretty passionate across the ditch about FinTech. It's actually now the same net contribution to the New Zealand economy as wine, the wine industry. So yeah, and going in a great place. We're international payments infrastructure, a platform. We work with some fantastic clients here in Australia, always looking to add more, plus in 2026, adding a funding round as well. Yeah, love to chat. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm back. Traditional accounting is broken for startups. It's too slow, too expensive, and built for a world that existed before smartphones. Founders are forced to either waste precious time on bookkeeping or pay thousands for services they don't need yet. At Mr. Quant, we're building the autonomous back office. Simply snap a picture of your receipt and our AI handles the rest, automating your BAS and maximising complex R&D returns. We're currently in beta and raising capital to kill the spreadsheet for good. Visit us at mrquant.app. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vamsi Koka from Bvantis Technologies. We specialize in data engineering solutions. We provide complex data migration, data integration, data warehouse, and also lake houses. We specialize for banks, financial services, insurance, and payments. We are currently headquartered in US with a development center in India, and we are soon launching in Australia. Looking forward to connecting. Thank you.
You know the game, Spot the Difference? Well, it's a lot less fun when it's 3 100-page long insurance policies and you're hunting through the fine print to find the differences. That's why at Brokenote, we've built an AI that reads, analyzes, and compares the documents that give brokers nightmares. We're looking to connect with brokers who see the same vision we do, as well as investors. My name's Scott Bennett. Book a demo at brokenote.com.au.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinoth Manoharan. I'm a VP with the APAC business development team at Diem, the leader in global money movement, and probably the biggest company you've never heard of until today. I'm here to spotlight a product called Neem Verify. Verify helps a sender validate the beneficiary account detail before they've hit send, thus reducing chance of manual error and mitigating against fraud. So with a single API, you get visibility across 50 different countries around the world. So if you are a bank, a marketplace, or a platform processing payments, please get in touch and I'll show you how we can help. Thank you.
That's just pulled us following that.
Good job, John. Oury Clark, innovators from the United Kingdom, a small but great country, leaders in innovation, and here to help you continue to grow global. We innovated being the first integrated accounting, legal, tax, finance, recruitment company in the UK. We also now do the United States. If you're looking to grow your business and you need one person to pick up that phone and answer your question, where do I start, how do I do it? Oury Clark, I'll see you on stage.
Nick Davies from Lending Advisor. We are a platform that you would typically find within a big bank for commercial lending, and we've repurposed that so that we can offer it directly to businesses to use to prepare their own credit requests that can be then sent through to lenders with the benefit of a bit of APIs to pull data in, some AI to help guide them through the process. And then the lender recommendation engine makes sure you get to the right lender, and that lender can then receive your data directly as an API for a huge efficiency lift for all parties. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Pat Dalton. I'm the founder of iGo Direct Group. We're a customer engagement platform, and we use the Visa issuing credentials to issue our web-to-wallet instant payments. And we want more customers. So if you're an airline, flight disruptions, if you're looking for doing payouts, whether it be government, not-for-profit, we want to work with you. We also specialise in gift cards, incentives, rewards and loyalty programs. We're here to talk and we want to do your business.
Jesus, that's a scary soundtrack. Shane Chanel, founder of Yonder, Shouter, and now introducing a new brand, Cobble. Cobble is what I wish I had 5 years ago when we started building Yonder. It would have helped us get products to market within months instead of years. So if you want to launch any of the products that you see on the right-hand side of the screen, come and have a drink with me, and we'll do business. So, thank you.
Hi, I'm Tony, CEO of HuPay. HuPay is powered by Huifu's 20 years of payment experience, both in China and globally. We are here today proudly offer Australia market with a full suite of payment solutions and all through API connections, including QR, wallet, and cards. And on top of that, we will bring millions of Chinese consumers to boost your business. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nishant, I'm from RedAL. RedAL is an award-winning agentic platform that seamlessly integrates AI into the CFO's existing tech stack. While we do this, we become the eyes and the ears of the CFO, and we're able to bring real-time governance and control to the finance decisions that they make. We are actually part of the MasterCard Start Path program, and we're also part of Google's AI Accelerator, and we're looking for our next round of funding. So if you're interested, please let me know.
Hi everyone, I'm Vinny from Provenzo, and this is Aaron. Aaron is an NDIS plan manager, and Aaron had a problem. 90% of his team's time was spent processing invoices, so we built Provenzo Invoice Agent, AI-powered invoice processing that has helped reduce his workload by 60%. Aaron has now doubled his business in less than 6 months. So be like Aaron, talk to us about AI-powered invoice processing.
Hello everyone, I'm Rehan from FinTech Australia. And I'm here to wrap up the evening, so thank you so much. A huge round of applause to the team, because I did nothing. It was all the team that's right here and out at the back. So thank you to the team. Thank you to the board. Thank you to our amazing sponsors. Bolt Group has an app. If you didn't download it, please download it. And I have nothing more to say, so thank you. And yes, if you're not a member of FinTech Australia, what are you doing? So, yeah. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening.
All right, I have a 2.5-hour speech, so settle in, everyone. That's it. Did you have a great time? Thanks to our fantastic 50. I'm going to give a quick plug to Anita Backer, my colleague who I work with. She runs an